Oh, this is going to be a total train wreck because I'm going to do this starting with Elmer Fudd and culminating with what's that dude's name? Um, oh, we'll get there. We'll see if we can get there. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk to you again because a vision softly creeping with disease while I was sweeping, and a vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In west wind's dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of the street lamp. I turned the color of the golden lamp when my eyes were stopped by the flash of the neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And then the naked white I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking. People hearing without wishing. People writing songs that voices would never share. No one dared disturb the sound of silence. Okay, now we're going to do disturbed. For silent we know silence like a cancer grows. Oh my god, that actually that was kind of like Animal from yeah, that was Animal from the Muppets. Oh, you know what? I just ruined this. Oh God. Oh God. Yeah, I was wanting to do the oh, that's right. Yeah, the dude the disturbed guy, right? Yeah, he did a really good video of this, but I can't do him. I can't do his voice. So, we're just going to go ahead and end this, okay? Bye-bye.